all, this is Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga. We are on our day 7 of our 21-day free online yoga workshop Transform 2023. If you are a beginner here, do watch our previous videos from the link given in the description box below. Let's get started on our day 7 macrocosm and microcosm. There is a saying in Tamil, Andathil ullade, Pindathil ulladu, meaning whatever is there in this universe is there in our human body too. This is known as the macrocosm and microcosm analogy. For the past 5 days, we were discussing about the physical inputs that we give into our human system. These 5 physical inputs are based upon the 5 major elements called as Maha Panchaputas. These 5 physical inputs are represented as the Maha Panchaputas in Yoga and Ayurveda. I'll correlate the physical inputs that we discussed along with the Maha Panchaputas. The first one, food. Food is representation for the earth element. The second one, sleep. Sleep is representation for the space element or ether element. The third one, water or fluid. The water is representation for water element, and the fourth one on our day 5, the physical activity or the one which that creates the internal fire, representation for the fire element, and the last one that we discussed yesterday, the air, represents the air element. By correcting these 5 elements within our body, we can get rid of many diseases, and this is the base for Hasta Mudras in yoga. Hasta Mudras is utilizing our fingers to perform mudras which can decrease or increase the effect of each element within our body. I have put up a detailed video on the introduction for this Hasta Mudras. The link will be given in the description box below. Please do watch that video to understand how these mudras can be balanced just by using your fingers. So for today's activity, I request all the participants to go through the playlist of Mudra series of Healthy Life and select one mudra from the list of mudras. For example, if you are a person with digestive issues, perform the Apana Mudra. There are different mudras available there. Do perform one mudra for 15 to 30 minutes today, and do let me know in the comment section below. In yoga, we also talk a lot about the 7 chakras. The Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha, Anya and Sahasrara. These 7 chakras are also linked with these 5 elements. The Mooladhara chakra is linked with the earth element. The Swadhisthana chakra is related with the water element. Manipura chakra is linked with the fire element. The Anahata is linked with the air element. Vishuddha is linked with the space element. Imbalance in these chakras creates diseases, and imbalance in the physical elements is responsible for creating imbalance in those chakras. So everything is in our hands to rectify these physical elements and to rectify the diseases in our body. So do perform the Hasta Mudra today and complete your day 7. From tomorrow, we will be discussing a lot more on this 21-day yoga workshop series. Do subscribe to our Aathmik Yoga channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified whenever we post a new video on this Transform 2023 series. Do follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the link in the description box below. You can also join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can discuss about your health, fitness and diet related queries directly with professionals. Do share this video with your friends and family who might also get benefited by watching this video, because sharing is caring. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam.